On the screen now is using a Word document which has the two pieces of text which will account for two separate pages in the read aloud EPUB. The first piece of text, as you can see, has some formatting, bold and slightly larger font in the header and centered, and the text here is tabbed. The second page here, again, bold and centered text, minimal formatting in the main body of the text. Now we need to export these to a plain text file. So again, a plain text file. When you do this, all formatting will be lost and simply the letters, i.e. words, will be exported. So if you have images, or in this case formatted text, the boldness and different font size, maybe different font type and the tabs, etc., they'll all be lost. You'll simply be left with the words. Now I'm going to demonstrate how you do this from Word. You simply go to File and Export or Save As. I'm going to demonstrate this, how you would export to plain text from Word. You move to File menu and then Save As. I'm going to save as all poems, I'm going to call this file. Save it to my desktop, and the key here is don't save it in the default doc or possibly docx format. Up here you have to go to plain text.txt. Plain text is the option you need here, and then you hit save. Now what's particularly important here is if you use European character sets, for instance an umlaut in Germany, or if you're in Portuguese, Spanish, etc., you will have non-ASCII characters. So you should in general use this method, but absolutely need to use this method if you're going to use European character sets. So I would always, in every instance, whether you're using European character sets or not, choose Other Encoding and choose Unicode UTF8. UTF8. If you have European characters within your text and you don't choose UTF8, those characters will be missing and it will cause a problem in the read aloud documents. So UTF8. Say OK. And then you'll see the all poems text here has been created. And if I just open that up briefly, you can see that although it's kept some of the formatting, it hasn't kept, for instance, the centering of the main header for this particular piece of text, nor the font, nor the boldness, and again hasn't kept the centering or the boldness of the header for this piece of text. Also hasn't kept page break. These are two separate pages. Here it's all in one piece of text. Okay, although it has retained the land feeds or the returns.